So what are the warning signs for Sofi? Today is the 28th of September 2023. Just by looking at the chart, what is the warning sign? Can you see if there are any warning signs for Sofi stock in terms of price not going up? Can you see them? Because I'm going to talk about it today on this video. Namely, the one I wanted to point out to you is Sofi's inability to continue to hold this support area. What does it mean? Well, it means that those buyers who initially held support up here in Sofi stock, they didn't buy. They left. They're gone. And once they leave, why do you need to be the last one standing there? That's completely negative. You don't want to see that, especially if you're a buyer, if you're looking for price to go up. And you guys can see it. I mean, I was anticipating that Sofi was going to go up too, and it didn't do it. Here it is, the market in Sofi is going down instead. So my price prediction wasn't right. And you will get these occasionally when you produce and conduct forecasts. But now we can see what the market is really up to. This is their true intention, is to move the market down. So let's cut this price prediction out the way. If you were to get out the market on the last trade yesterday, we're down 16.21%. Okay. Now let's clean this chart up because there's too many lines here on this chart. We already have established that Sofi is trending and it broke support at $8. So apparently this must be the trend that the overall market is filling. Okay. Now you can see over the last 3 trading days, Sofi has held support. So we may see a small spurt move to the upside. Again, don't let that persuade you, because you can see that we're closely, even when it does come back up, $8 will be that resistance area now. It was acting as support back in the day, but now you need to look forward to it being resistance. Okay, let's look at Sofi on the 2-day time frame. Where are the buyers? The buyers currently are trying to hold here. Okay. So let's extend this to see if there's any areas of resistance there. So it doesn't look pretty strong in terms of this can act as a true area of support in Sofi. It doesn't look that way. Here it is on the 3-day time frame. Look at that. These 2 3-day price bars, even though we didn't get an indicator of weakness triggered, but just look at the spread and look at where price closed on those 2 3-day price bars. Here it is on the 5-day time frame. Okay. Here it is on the weekly. This is what happened last week. You got that indicator of weakness triggered there. So I think anything below $8, Sofi has a higher probability of continuing to go down. Now, as soon as we see price in Sofi trade above $8 on strength, then yeah, I think the buyers are now controlling the market once that happens. But it took a lot for those buyers to not show up here. It took a lot for that market to break that level. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay, so I will say on a longer term basis, Sofi is going to continue to drift down, especially on the weekly time frame. You guys, especially on the weekend and 2 weeks. Daily time frame, like I said, we can see the market run back up to $8. Here it is on the 3 weeks. We have a day and 9 hours, and it still looks pretty weak there too. So my price prediction that I'm about to produce is going to be off of that time frame. Pretty much the weekly chart. This is going to be my first target. Look like $7.15 for Sofi. Okay. And then my next target for Sofi would be right here, like 650. And then third would be 6 even. So those are the targets right there. Okay, so let me show you, put this on the chart. And we said $8 for SoFi. But I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit higher to like 8.15. First target here, 7.13, $7.15, 6.18%. Second target is gonna be around 6.50. Third target, which I know you guys don't want to even see or listen to, is 6. That's 21.5% move to the downside. I really don't think the market's going to hit that low right now. So definitely my first target though. So that's it. I'm finished. You're up. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability and trade different.